Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Triumph Street Triple 675 3-cylinder fuel injected liquid cooled. This thing's got about 107 horsepower. Beautiful condition, only 18,000 miles on this awesome Street Fighter. It's got the bullhorn bar end mirrors. Come on by, make your Triumph Street Triple dreams come true for just $53.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.